forecast for March 22nd by FX Empire. The light sweet crude market, as you can see, rose during the day here on Monday, but we're starting to approach the $42 level, which somewhere in this area, U.S. shale producers have already suggested that they're willing to step in the market and start locking in price. There are production freeze talks going on out there, and that's part of what's driving this, as well as the U.S. dollar falling. So the question then becomes, what's the real long-term situation? And the reality is that nobody's going to stop the Americans and the Canadians from producing. So this is probably a short-term strong rally. We will give it that. So short-term buyers can be involved. But you have to keep in mind there's going to be a lot of volatility. The Brent, of course, looks very similar in the sense that we've been rallying, but it looks like now we did fall a bit during the day, a little bit different than the WTI market, but 40 offered enough support somewhere above, probably closer to 42, maybe even 44, that range. There's a massive previously supportive area, which now will be resistive. Again, though, the biggest problem that we see is, yes, there's probably nice short-term buying, a lot of volatility, but at the end of the day, there is still a lot of concern when it comes to the U.S. The U.S. now, for the first time in years, is starting to export oil. They're just flooding the markets with it. So sooner or later, that reality comes crashing back.